So my friend Sylvia and I, we went on a walk, and it was more or less one of the last warm September days here in Hamburg. We went to the river Elbe, which is in Hamburg. And there are a lot of sheep. Do not wonder why only Sylvia is carrying a backpack. I have my little suitcase with me. As a flight attendant, I thought this is very smart. It is not. The wind is blowing. It's so nice, fresh air. You can listen to the trees. It's kind like they were singing in the wind. And we walk without shoes because it's so lovely. When you're surrounded by nature and you walk with your bare feet on the ground. I love these colors in autumn or fall. They're so vibrant. Sometimes we had to walk a small path on our way to the water. And then finally we reached the beach, our beach in Hamburg. The colors are amazing, aren't they? And this is in the middle of a big city. When it's really warm and when it's not raining, like very often in Hamburg, we go to the beach and then, enjoy ourselves. And here you see poor Sylvia carrying my luggage. So sorry about it. I love the sound of the waves. It's so calming. Really, it's like, like kind of meditation. There we are looking for the right place to have our little picnic on the beach. I love stones. I collect stones. And even if it's not warm enough to swim, at least, yeah, a little into the water. And yeah, finally. Yeah, this is a nice place. I know how much he loves to walk into the water with her bare feet in the sand. As you can see, no sun at all, just lovely clouds. And there we are. We had our little picnic on the beach with some bread and cheese, some cucumbers, tomatoes, and hot tea. Now we're just chilling. And you know, there is a tide on the river Elbe, but sometimes we do forget it. And then the beach is gone and the water is nearer and you have to put all your stuff up. And here we are already not on the beach anymore, we are on the grass, but still. Some last waves, and we are on the way back. Beautiful colors, isn't it? This is a plant we call soap plant. You can wash some things with it, I guess. And here is the sun finally. You can see a little ship moving along. This is the specialty of River Elbe in Hamburg. Yeah, on the sand, in the water, and the ships are passing by. And some bicycles, and of course sheeps. Now we walk to another place. We want to harvest apples. These stones are very special. You can't see it here, but they are like with a lot of glittering. And of course, sheeps. And here's some seeds of a flower called Nachtkerze. You can collect them and plant them. And more sheeps. This is so cute. We were wondering, is it for the sheep or for a cow or a horse or a dog or whatever. Love, Wilma. And here you see us. This is a real huge garden with about 300 different apple trees. And we are picking them with a long thing used for picking apples. And this is how it works. There you go. Here are the lovely apples.
Wieso? Geht doch so.
And after all the work, we had like 4 bags full of apples. We thought, oh yeah, let's enjoy and chill a little. This was so nice. We were actually thinking about falling asleep or any kind of possibility to spend the night there. Yeah, it's too cold, sure. I love these walks and I love to be in nature. My friend as well, we really enjoy it. It's like you're fueling yourself with, new power from everything that's growing and living around you. And here are the final apples. This is not all of them. I shared them with two of my neighbors, and I'm going to cut them and quarter them and pick all what's in out, what I don't want. Put it in a pan. I don't know what's the word for it. With a little of water, cook it. Do, if you like, a little sugar. I put a little sugar in it and a little cinnamon because I love the taste of apples with cinnamon. And then you let it cook for about, I would say, 15 or 20 minutes. And put a lid on top, of course. And then you can try to stir it. Yeah, you have to be careful because when it's boiling, it's like jumping all around and you can burn yourself. When it's soft, you take a tool and you mash it into very liquid condition. Yeah, and a heart made for love. Fill it in while it's hot in glasses you boiled before with hot water and put them, on top. And this is the final result. It's very tasty, much different from stuff you can buy. So, and here we go. Bye bye. I hope you go as well out in nature and pick some fruits and enjoy yourself.